to believe. I am all confused whether my stars have abandoned me or not. So long I have waited, for I get no mixed with alluring looks from the one I love, and this makes me uncertain. What shall I rather believe? That which I hear her say, or the enticing looks she sends when I regard her? For the enticing look takes me away from despair, and the saying no pulls me back in. Do not ever believe it that I imagine that because she tells me no, she now is a deceiver. Nor is it fitting at all that I reproach her. For ladies have this habit to hide their intentions, no matter who entreats them. But the eyes do not ever want to lie, nor do believe that a lady turns them so sweetly towards anything but that which pleases her. Therefore, I must believe the enticing looks that she sends me. I'm such a fool to breathe things in her, for the more she refuses and the more I persist, the stronger she defends herself. If she has pleasant and gracious manners and sweet glances, what do I demand of it? She can't ever belie her manners nor her looks for my sake, nor abandon them. Is it then foolish of me to love her? I don't know, but to me it looks like she responds to me. Now I think I'll make amends with her if I'm growing fonder of her, for she sends lustful glances to better ensnare me. Why and how then do I go despairing? Must I believe then that she belies herself for the sake of betraying me? Verily, she wouldn't be able to deny deceit, for she draws me towards herself with the appearance of love. If she failed me altogether, but that doesn't suit her. I have great fear of misinterpreting this, for I am so brave that I have not parted from her, that she's never moved to pity, and that she never gives me anything I ask of her. Is that inappropriate? No, because she told me in advance. But I strive always to serve her, and she likes it well, and may she take care not to fail. For giving reward where it is deserved is a proper thing, and a boorish one to refuse it. Provided that her great virtue increases and is heard about, it doesn't matter to her if I find myself afflicted, nor how my affairs go. For it is good for her that I bear all the suffering, and I like when I can put her forth. It is good for her when she can make me languish, and I like when I can advance her. She doesn't care that I feel bad, and I like it when she feels good, good, good. The Countess of Marcella, I can tell you, makes a fine virtue beloved in Auvergne, and her mercy honors me there. But slanderers honor me as much here. Noble queen, you make yourself beloved with discernment, and make yourself be praised and advanced by honor, and with good virtue and beautiful cheer